Jatend migao mar arita Kipchumba Murkomen oseyo jatend DCP Rigathi Gachagua ma owacho ni osiko kaluongo nying jofamilia mag josiasa ma opogore kendo mopogore kode paro e pacho ka. Murkomen molos e kaunti ma Trans Nzoia bende oseyo josiasa ma chwalo kweth njore e pacho ka kendo luoyo seyo ne sirikal kuom siro sirikal kedo gi kwethgo.
To tell the opposition to support the government and to support the security sector. When goons are arrested in your midst, please stop this business of rushing to court to defend them, making political statements that are undermining the security sector. Nchi yetu ni moja tu. Mimi nataka niwaombe kwa heshima, tusaidiane wote kuhakikisha kwamba tumemaliza mambo ya wauni kwa kuhakikisha wale tunawaleta kotini wamechukuliwa hatua kali ya kisheria.